For problem number 3, we have a big fraction, and when you have a big fraction like this, yes, first check for zero rules and parentheses, but then when you don't have those, you want to simplify whatever is the most complicated. So in this case, the bottom is fairly complicated, and so we would want to look at our like terms, and we are going to combine them using the product rule. And I'm going to kind of do 2 steps at once. So the top stays the same, then down here, 2 times 4, those are just numbers, so we get 8. These are exponents though, so we're going to add them. -1 plus 2 gives me a +1. And then don't forget about your y here. Just because it doesn't have a friend doesn't mean it doesn't exist. We want to bring it over there with us too. Now that I have the bottom simplified and the top simplified, I can deal with them at once. So again, we're going to do our like terms. And 3 divided by 8, I know that it's not a whole number, but I want to see if I can simplify it at all. So 0.375, that's not really going to help me. And 3 and 8 cannot be divided by the same number, so I can't make that any smaller. It's as simplified of a fraction as we can get. So in that case, don't change it to a decimal, just leave 3 on top and 8 on bottom. So now our x's, 2 minus 1 is just 1, so x to the first. And our y's, 2 minus 1 is just 1, so y to the first. And looking at this just to see if I can simplify it any more, I notice I don't even need those 1s. We don't usually write an exponent of 1, so I can just write 3xy over 8. And that is my simplified expression.